So beautiful. And he was standing like a little statue. I guess he was trying to figure out, what is she staring at me for? Anyway, it's a great morning this morning. I hope everyone is out and about this morning. If you're not working, getting your exercise on and enjoying life as always. As my motto goes, always enjoy life. This is the best time to get out and walk and exercise and just enjoy life. As I stated, nice and warm and not too many kids running around, as you can see, just adults. But I will be back later with my kids, of course, to enjoy that time. We will be coming back to enjoy this little area, and we may even go on a train ride today. Not a real train, but the parks train, a local train. But it will be fun. Feels too good not to enjoy it. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look up there. Let's see if we can see it. It's a squirrel high in the tree, but we may not be able to see it. No, probably not. But it's so beautiful. Let me give this one more shot. I mean, he's way up there. Ah, there he is. Oh my gosh, she's getting on my nerves. Anyway, enjoy life. Look at the scenery. Listen to the noises. Beautiful noises early in the morning. The chirping and, of course, the ducks quacking. Well worth it. Beautiful birds flying.